Sabi nila, as long as you have faith, God will do whatever you ask Him to do. Well, that's one version. Another version says that God knows exactly that you have that kind of faith that remains and stays and believes and trusts even though God does not meet your expectations. John never got out of prison. He was beheaded and died there. Pero alam mo kung ano yung hindi namatay. Yun yung faith niya. Even though he doubted. You doubt? That's good. Doubt is just a door that God can come through to take you into a deeper relationship with Him. Just don't fall back. Ulitin ko, don't fall back. Keep trusting that God is always in control and He is enough. Even though He doesn't do what you want Him to do. Because I have learned in my life na yung mga moments na hindi nasusunod yung plano tsaka yung gusto ko is the only time na may opportunity para ma-demonstrate yung faith na meron talaga ako. So remember, trust God, trust His timing, trust His decision, and know that in everything, God is in control.